Well, hello all. I want to show you what fun you can have with just three electronic components. That's a Pi Pico, a geared motor, and a motor driver. There is so much you can do. Here I have a geared DC motor. It works on anything upwards of 1.5 volts. Here I have a Pi Pico. And here I have a little motor driver. And today I'm going to make a valve, a water valve system, so that you can automatically water your garden, water your hydroponics, water your cat, whatever you want to water. If you need to go away and just have something automatically water, and it doesn't cost you anything. I mean, these are just components that I've been using for every other project, and you can use them. Notice how water is running out. Now it's reversing the direction. It's going, lifting the boom. Water stopping flowing. Now it's going to lower the boom again. Notice how water is flowing again. Now it's reversed the direction. Water stops flowing. Well, have a look at the setup. We have a Pi Pico there with a motor in here, a dam here, and the motor is releasing and lowering versus the direction. The boom. Say you want to have something water your plants while you're away. So it works on the principle of, if you have a lake and a pipe, and the moment you lower and you have the pipe into the lake, and the moment you lower the opening of the pipe below the level of the water, water will run out. And if you raise it above the level of the lake, water will stop running out. If you have a bucket full of water, the moment you lower the pipe below the level of the bucket, water will run out, and when you raise it above the level of the water will stop running. So this is so much easier than having one of these valves. I know you get these computer valves that come with your garden tap and hose, and they're quite expensive, these garden computers, and they will water and turn on valves like a washing machine would do. But this is just something simple. So say I had set up a hydroponic system, and hydroponics is the future. I know no one's going to watch a video if you mention hydroponics. One day we'll all be living and eating hydroponics, I can tell you, because it uses 1/10 of the water. But anyway, the quickest way you can put people off is to tell them hydroponics. Growing things in a medium And I have longed to grow things in a pipe filled with leaves, that's your medium, and to just drill holes in this PVC pipe and plant my plants in the pipe and grow them that way. And then you just need to have water on occasion flow down the pipe to keep the roots watered. And this, you could have the boom lower onto your pipe, let water run down, raise it, and you could set it to do it every day, every half a day, 4 times a day, however long you want to water it for, and however wide your pipe is. You can use a thick pipe if you want to get a lot of water, or as I've just demonstrated in this, a thin pipe.
So here is our Thonny program called Water Valve Pi, PY. We import machine, we import the real-time clock, even though I haven't used it. Import U-time, I haven't used it, but we will need to say turn our valve on and then leave it rest, go away. Then we use the pins. We use pin 14 and 15, which are motor 1 and motor 2. So pins 14 and 15 on the Pico. Now if we want to drive the motor forward, we make pin 1 high and pin 1B low, so that is going to be 14 high, 15 low. Then if we want to move it backwards, we make 14 low and 15 high. And then if we want to stop the motor, we make both low. Here we just import the real-time clock. That's today's date, time, minutes, seconds, etc. Now we make it our own. I'm not using real-time clock because this is just a demonstration, but we could get it to water on at the same time every day or a few times a day. So all this program does is it loops through this while true loop. We import time, we stop the motor. So the program starts with the motor stopped. We move the motor backwards. That lowers the boom and gets the water flowing. We keep lowering the boom for 30 seconds, then we stop the motor. We could leave it in that position for however long we want to. That's what the sleep, but we've hashed it out, so it's not doing that. It's just moving the boom up and down. Then we move the motor forward. That raises the boom. We raise it for the same length of time as we lowered it, which is 30 seconds, and then we stop the motor again. And we could have had it sleep in the boom in the up position. We could have had it sleep with the boom in the lower position. So that would be with the water flowing. That would be with the water stopped. So that is how this program works.